WizIQ Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of WizIQ. For more details and to explore the platform, check the links in the description below. WizIQ is a comprehensive online teaching platform that provides a suite of tools for educators, trainers, and businesses to create, deliver, and manage live and self-paced courses. Whether you're a solo instructor, a corporate trainer, or a school, WizIQ offers everything you need to engage your learners and manage your educational content seamlessly. One of the standout features of WizIQ is its robust virtual classroom. The platform supports live video sessions with interactive tools like whiteboards, screen sharing, polls, and real-time chat, creating an engaging learning environment. This makes WizIQ an excellent choice for anyone looking to host live webinars, workshops, or online classes with a high level of interactivity. Additionally, the platform supports the recording of sessions, allowing students to review the material later. This is especially useful for those who may miss a live class or want to revisit specific lessons. WizIQ also includes features to help course creators build and manage their content. It offers an easy-to-use course builder that supports multimedia content such as videos, documents, and quizzes. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, setting up courses is a breeze, even for those with minimal technical expertise. The platform also allows you to sell your courses directly through its integrated e-commerce tools, including customizable sales pages and payment gateways. For businesses and institutions, WizIQ provides a scalable solution with options for creating branded course portals, managing users, and tracking learner progress with detailed analytics. The platform is ideal for anyone looking to deliver high-quality online education with a professional look and feel. In summary, WizIQ is a versatile and powerful platform for educators, trainers, and businesses looking to deliver both live and self-paced courses. Its interactive virtual classroom, easy-to-use course builder, and e-commerce tools make it a great choice for anyone serious about online teaching. Be sure to check out the links in the description to get started with WizIQ today.